Welcome to the Vivint Demo House, where we show you how to make your life simpler, safer, and smarter. My name is Ailani, and today I'm thrilled to introduce to you the Vivint Smart Lighting System. This system is truly amazing. You can access your smart lights from anywhere, anytime, using our app, your hub, and even directly from the wall switch. Let's get technical. The app is the heart of our new lighting system. It lets you customize your smart lighting experience by creating custom actions. These include away lighting, smart deter lighting, welcome home lighting, and more. Away lighting is the perfect solution for when you're not at home or away on vacation. It randomizes lighting to mimic activity in your home throughout the day and night, making it look like you're there even when you're not. This feature may deter intruders and keep your home secure while you're gone. You can set this feature up in your app by pressing the Lights tab at the bottom of the Vivint app. Tap the light bulb at the top of the screen, then press Settings to configure your ideal automation. Next up, Smart Deter. This feature helps keep intruders from getting too close to your home by pairing with your outdoor and doorbell camera pro to turn on your smart lights if your system senses someone lurking outside your home. To set up this feature, open the Vivint app. Tap the hamburger menu in the top left corner. Select Custom Actions, then the plus icon in the top right corner to make a new rule. Select lights or outlets to turn on. Then check all the lights you want in this automation. Tap Next. Pick your brightness level. Scroll down and tap When Deter is triggered by cameras, and customize your automation from there. And with Welcome Home Lighting, your lights will automatically turn on as soon as you open your garage or front door, as long as you have a Vivint door sensor. Never fumble around in the dark for the light switch again. To set this up, open the Vivint app and tap the hamburger menu in the top left corner. Select Custom Actions, then the plus icon in the top right corner to make a new rule. Then select Lights or Outlets to turn on, and check the lights you want included for Welcome Home Lighting, then tap Next. Pick your brightness level and customize your welcome home lighting from there. For example, you can tap on When My Door is Opened or When My Garage Door is Opened. Our smart lighting system also integrates with other devices connected to your Vivint system, allowing you to have a truly smart home. And there you have it. The smart lighting system is the ultimate solution for all your lighting needs. With the ability to control your lights from anywhere, anytime, and with any device, you'll never have to worry about leaving the lights on again. Plus, with our smart light switches, you can directly control your lights with ease. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade to Vivint Smart Lighting today and start living the smarter, safer, and simpler life you deserve. I really hope this helped. Like this video so that you see more from us in the future, and comment any questions that you have about smart lighting. You can also subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more helpful tips and tricks. We'll see you soon.